welcome to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in once again. So guys, today we're gonna be making this amazing drink that I like so much. This is an all year drink. That's how I see it, be it winter, summer, or fall, whatever weather season you are in. This is a good drink for you. It's called coconut mango quencher. You're gonna use only 3 ingredients. You see how minimal the ingredients are? Here we're gonna be using mango. You can use any kind of mango you like, okay? And some mint leaves, and of course the thirst quencher, which is the coconut water. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this brand new Ninja blender that I bought. The link should be popping up on top or across this video right now. You'll see where I did the unboxing and the review. It's an amazing blender. So this is the first use of it. Therefore, I am making a drink, you know, to show you guys how it works, and also to show you guys how you can make this quencher. This mango coconut quencher. It's very amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead. You don't need water. These are just the 3 things you need, and that's it, and we're good to go. All right, so let's go into making this. Cutting this I'm gonna say pineapple mango into chunks. You'll need like a cup. I'm gonna put the ingredients below for you. And make sure you wash your fruits. It's very important. Run it in cold water. If possible, use vinegar or lemon water when you're washing. It's important, okay? We want to be safe. And make sure your surface area is always clean. I'm slicing it little because this is a new blender. I really don't know how it works. I had one before that was very powerful. I didn't have to do all this. But to be on the safe side, let me just do this to help the blade too. And as time goes on, I will know how it works and how strong it really is. Then I will decide on how to make my smoothies and drinks. So there's no particular shape. Just let me choose this side. No particular shape. Just go ahead. You don't have to peel the back, but if you wanna, that's fine. You don't have to peel the back, anyways. All of them have its own nutrients. So now I'm going to transfer them into the blender cup. This cup is 24 ounce, okay? Ounce is rather. So this, if it's full, can serve you for 2 meals, like breakfast and lunch, or lunch and dinner. So the next thing is to add the mint. You're gonna need like half a cup of mint, or a quarter of a cup of mint. So now, time to add the thirst quencher. You need like, you know what, let me just measure it so we know what we're doing. You need like 2.5. So since I already added a little bit, I'm gonna count that as half. This measuring cup is 2 cups exact. Okay, maybe it's not even gonna fit in there. So let's say we use 2 cups, so that's fine. If you're using like your regular blender, you can use 2.5. And here we go, testing our blender. So we have to align it, and then I think it says to press. This power, you can feel the power. Oh my god. So anyways, you blend for 25 seconds, 25 to 30 seconds, and you're good to go. I like the way it feels. Ooh guys, look at that coconut mango quencher. So let me pour myself a glass and taste it. Nice guys, look at that. And here I present to you the coconut mango quencher. Go ahead and make yours. Enjoy with your family this Valentine period. Enjoy with your spouse, you know, twist things up a little bit. Anyway, so then yo, Thank you for joining me, guys. Make yours. Let me know how it tastes. Look at inside. Doesn't that look healthy? Nice. Okay, so see you on the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like the video, share the video, leave me a comment or questions, and I'll gladly answer you. Thank you so much, and stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.